Okay, guys, this is a different crossing, but the same train. It's gonna be coming pretty soon.
Hello.
I'm not going with Bree. I don't really feel good.
All right. If you hurry, you can catch the train.
If I'm what?
If you hurry to Jess's Road, you can catch the train.
Oh, really? Oh.
It's coming soon, guys.
Yeah, I'll have to see, because I have to pick Will up, and I forgot to ask him if he wanted something for dinner at Tradewinds.
What a pain in the neck.
Oopsie. Well, it's my pain in the neck. I'm just not in the right mindset. My ear is, like, all plugged up again, and my throat just kind of hurts because of my nose running so much.
Right.
So, yep. Alrighty. I'll see you soon.
Yep. Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.
And guys, just to let you know, that was my mom talking to my sister. It's coming pretty soon, but it's not going that fast. What is that noise?
I have no idea.
Brakes?
Whatever it was, it stopped. Oh. Oh, it's wind.
What? It's coming pretty soon, guys. It might have stopped, I don't know.
It's on a time schedule. Has to be in Hermon by 6.
He says he hears it. I don't see the light. If you guys can, but I can't. Are you sure that's a wind? Oh, guys, now I hear it, I think. I don't see the light still. Might take a little while, but... Oh, here it comes. I hear the horn coming. I don't see the light yet, but that doesn't mean anything. Now I hear it. It's coming, approaching very fast, probably, because it's on the time schedule to get to Hermon at 6.
I don't think my tires are very good.
What's that?
I don't think my tires are very good.
I don't know. There wasn't wanting to grab there
Nope.
on that. I mean, it was on the ice there too.
Yeah.
Yeah, the ice.
I got new tires.
But, yeah, I said that's good to know there now or whatever. But have traffic in front of you and
Right.
you can't stop like that.
That's the Joe Raymond Road. Or the
I didn't want to. keep going right into the tracks.
That's right. No.
What
I
is-
don't want to get hit by a 100-ton train
Yeah.
because there was a train accident down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was crazy. It's still
I
down.
live just across the road.
Oh, do you? Yeah, we live in Lagrange.
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Yeah. So yeah, that was crazy. That train wreck down here.
No kidding.
Yeah, I can't believe that first engine got railed right through its windshield.
Yeah.
And 3 people were in there.
That was crazy.
Let's say so.
They're up.
Yeah.
That is loud.
Everybody's coming, ain't they? Coming out of the woodwork.